Hello, hello. How is everybody? I can see there's 3 of you on. It's been a long time no see. I'm just trying to see if I can find me on my iPad, which is very different to let's have a look. Very different to the laptop. Okay. I want to see if there is any. Hello, Trisha from the US. How are you? Hi, Carol. I can see you on there. Linda. Hello, Linda. Myrtle. Hello, Myrtle. Hi, Katie. This is a bit weird on the. Let's have a look. I want to go a little. I want to do a little so I can see comments properly. Oh no. You have to swipe it to the left. I don't like that because then you have to keep touching it, don't you? So let me just see if I can find you all on the iPad. On the, not iPad, on the laptop. Hi, Carol. Okay. Not doing so well. I haven't done this in a long time. Yes, I've been on YouTube, haven't I? But I thought I'd come onto Facebook, actually. Oh, no, I don't want Creator Studio. Tricia says you're doing well, enjoying some peppermint tea and snuggling in from the cold weather. Wow, I bet it is cold over there. I don't know how comes I've gone into Creator Studio. I only want to watch my own video. So, hi Sandy, hi Diane. I'm going to come out again. I'm going to go back in again. Facebook, what have you been doing? These Facebooks are really weird. No wonder I went over to YouTube, started doing my lives. Here we go, I've found me. Hi Rachel. Tap into that to expand. There you all are. Hi Chris, I hope you're feeling better. Hello Annette. Katie. Everything is good. I'm worn out, but everything is good. You can see part of my table here. I go this way. Just there. I'm not actually straight, I don't think, but I don't want to swizz anything up. You can see my hand going across there. Oh, let's just get the show on the road, shall we? We haven't crafted in such a long time, and I miss you all. I miss you all. So for those that don't know, Paul is now out of hospital. He came home the Tuesday. Christmas Day was on the Saturday, wasn't it? So he came home on the Tuesday. And there was dramas all week. The airbed deflated on Christmas Eve, so waiting 4 hours for an engineer to come, and I've reluctantly given and accepted carers, and they didn't turn up, and should have been here at 8 o'clock in the morning. They turned up at 1, and then they should have been here at 2, and they never come till 5, and Paul was stuck in the deflated bed. I couldn't get out and do my Christmas shopping, and Linda kindly offered, and she got me some bits. Thank God for Linda. Linda and Bridget helped me out. And then it happened to Christmas Day. I had to call the engineer out again on Christmas Day. This time the carers was here. And then Boxing Day, the lift broke. We have a free lift from the front room up into the bedroom. It just got progressively worse. It really did. Now I'm arguing with the social service people. Oh God! And my poor mum, she ended up in the hospital all over the Christmas period, and she's so unwell. She, since losing her phone and me finding it and finding out she was poorly, she's had part of her lung cut out because of cancer had got in there. So she really isn't recovering in a good way. So that's been, I've been getting up very early for the carers, doing half their job for them because they ain't here on time. Then running over to my mum's and taking care of her, and then running back and forth, and I've hardly had any time to craft. I will say I have made a few artisan projects because they was time sensitive, and I had to have them ready. Hello Jen, how are you? Oh, Sandy, sounds like an eventful holiday. Yes. Oh, Rachel, it is a nightmare. It is a nightmare. I'm like, oh my God, I can't go see my friends and do what I want to do. Katie says she's treated herself to a heated blanket from Lidl's, like an old lady. Well, hello Emma, how are you? Oh, Linda says she can't see comments if it's in landscape. Oh, yes, and it was in landscape as well, actually. It was. Ah, hello, Helen. How are you? Thank you. Yes, so in between all of this, an hour here and 5 minutes there, I've made a couple of projects. So I've got, we're being announced from the 7th throughout the whole week, so it's like I think from the 7th to the 11th. So people are getting announced on Instagram and on Facebook, on the Stampin' Up world. And then I had to do a tips and technique thing, and I'm not sure when that's going out, but that's going out in January, but I'm not sure what date. And then I had to work with, so they said I can share. I had to work with this. I was like, oh, please. I had to focus on this bundle. And lovely little dies. And then it's got oh goodness me, where is that? It's got a hybrid embossing folder. So I put it all back in the box. The embossing folder is well, I didn't plan on showing you, that's why it's not here ready for me to show you. Anyway, it has a hybrid embossing folder, and this heart goes inside it. It's lovely. It's got a heart in it, and I wonder if it's over here. All flowers on it. So it's embossed flowers, and then in the middle is like a heart. I was like, oh my goodness, what can I... And I have to focus on this bundle, can't use anything else. It's all words and there's nothing to colour with. But I'm quite proud of what I've made. It went down well. So you will be seeing that, I think it's going to be shared on the 18th of January. So keep an eye out. I will share it on here, and I'll share it on my blog, and I will share it on Instagram. But please do, if you can, if you go onto the Stampin' Up's Instagram and Stampin' Up's Facebook page, when they do share it, please give me some love, please. Some little comments and some love, and like, oh, that's fantastic, I love it. I loved it. And nearer the time I will tell you where I got my inspiration from, because I didn't make anything you'd think I would make with the embossing folder, embossing powder I was going to say. And then, so that set is on, what page is it on? Oh, that's what we're going to be using today. Nuts and bolts. Oh, it's on the next page. So it's on page 11. It's called the Love and Happiness Bundle. So you get like the stamp set, the embossing folder and the dies, and that'd be like £43 in UK. And then, or you can just buy the Bouquet of Love hybrid embossing folder that comes for £27. It comes with the embossing folder and 9 dies, the 9 dies. So you can't buy the dies separate, they go with the embossing folder. You can, it's celebration time, so you can earn lots of freebies, lovely, lovely freebies, but I'm not using celebration today, but I will be popping on here and there to share with you what I'm going to be making with the celebration stuff. So for every £45 you spend, you get to choose lots of lovely stuff. And then the best deal of the day, or should we say of the week, of the month, of the 2 months till 28th of February, is the starter kit, the joining kit. For £99, you can redeem £130 worth of products of your choice. So that could be a die cutting machine if you wish it to be. It could be all the inks. It could be you're after some of the storage systems that we have, which are fab. And I'm yakking away, and I've not even looked at the comments. I'm so sorry. I'm looking at the catalogue. Anyway, joining fee is you get £130 of a product of your choice, plus 2 free stamp sets of your choice, all for £99. So you're talking about probably, I haven't done my sums, haven't looked at the stamp sets to see which one's the most expensive, but it can be from the mini catalogue, this new mini catalogue, or the annual catalogue. I would say probably about 180 quid's worth of stuff. Thereabouts, maybe 190. That includes the 2 stamp sets that you would get for £99. I mean, really, why would you not want to join the fairies? Come and join me. Come and join me. I'm going to have an exciting year with you all this year. So, let's have a look. Let me just go back on the comments. Hi, Marianne. Oh, Myrtle, thank you. I'm sure things will get better. We're trying to stay safe. Paul has his, I've had my booster, but Paul has his booster this Friday. Oh, thank you, Emma. Emma is a past fabulous hat trick artisan. Oh, thank you, Sandy. Hello, Juliet. How are you? You caught me live this time, not on the replay. Katie, I bet it was white card. What's that? I don't know what that is. Hello, Janet. How are you? You hope to see... Oh, yes, I bet it was white card. Yes, it is on white card. Yes, I'm trying my best. Did you notice that what I shared for my global design, much better in the flesh. How far are we? Oh, it's lagging behind quite a few seconds. I've had it in my hand for a few seconds, but I made this. So it don't look like it. I think it's Sahara sand. I thought it was crumb cake. It's Sahara sand. So I made this for the global challenge. There. And the end piece of white card is what I've stamped on. And I've pulled one of the linen threads. I pulled it all apart. So I've got little thin stringy things. And then I splashed with the white, what do you call it? The white pigment ink stays on. Yeah. I'm fine, thank you, Julia. Happy New Year to you too. Right. I'm not going to show you the cards, and I'll tell you why I'm not going to show you the cards with what I'm going to be doing tonight, is that I'm doing a blog bounce with a lovely friend I've made on the artisan team, Anne and Alexandra from Australia. So we've been chatting, you know me, I chat too much. And we come up with perhaps we really wanted to do the robots. So we decided, should we do a blog bounce? So between us, we're going to bounce our blogs tomorrow and Friday. So 8 o'clock in the morning, it will go live here. I'm not sure what time. I think it's about 7 p.m. I'm not sure anyway. 8 a.m. in the morning will be the first card. So it's got in 2 parts. So you might land on me, and then at the bottom there'll be a link to Anne's. Belle Stampin with Anne, she's called. And it'll be on Instagram. And then the next day we'll share our second card. And it is using the nuts and bolts. Both of our projects are using the nuts and bolts, and I've used these stamping blends. So I've used Cajun Craze, Smoky Slate, Real Red, even though that looks pink, Flirty Flamingo, and the Colour Lifter for what I've done here. Hi Sarah, haven't seen you for ages. Oh my goosey's colour. Yes, colour. Linda wouldn't like it though, it's green. Oh, thank you, Annette. I hope so. Yeah, the team is a fantastic team and they've done amazing stuff. Really feel like I'm out of my league, but I will hold my own. We've all been picked for our particular styles, and I hope I can do the UK proud. That's all I can say, really. I really need to get on here as well to do it will be like an unboxing, but the box is already opened, obviously, because I've been playing with it all, to show you what I got in my artisan box. Masses of stuff that is in a big box here. Too much stuff. I've got some nice stuff coming on their way. Anyway, nice chat. You come here to see what I'm making. I'm not putting myself down. I'm not putting myself down. It's an amazing, amazing team, and I'll just be me. Just be me. So, let's take this little fella with the little hearts, because then I can show you how I painted the hearts. Let me take the little hearts out as well. Might as well just put it all on one block, I think. Like that. Oh, how I've missed this. I thought I was never going to get back on here again. Linda said she was keeping quiet about the green card. Hello, June. How are you? Hope you're keeping well. I'm just doing colouring today. Colouring. So I'm stamping him up. Is it a him or is it a her? I think it might be a him. It might be a her, because the other one's holding a flower. So it could be him giving the flower. It looks like a him to me. Anyway. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Let's do another one. Okay, you might want to sort of that fliffy. Myrtle says she loves the green. Garden green too. And do you know what? It's funny because I chose them colours because I'd already coloured this in for something else. I coloured it in, I used this for something else. Oh, I know what I used it for. For the Global Creative tutorial bundle. I'm yet to put that up. I know it's the 4th, but I need to put it up on the blog. But I'd made a card, and this was one I had left over. And I thought, oh, I can't chuck that away. And then I thought, oh, I'm going to use it on the Global Design Project team, because I'm on that team as well. How lucky am I to be on my favourite challenge blog design team and Stampin' Up's artisan design team. Oh, I am so excited. Right, let's have a looky. I need one more blend. I may or may not use pumpkin pie. You might not be using it then if I can't find it. I'm squashed up in the living room because now Paul's home. He's come downstairs at 2 o'clock and sit in the living room. I'm like, oh, I've got to move all my craft stuff out. No, I've got you're impeding on my crafting, mister. Well, I won't be using... Ah, yes, I will. Here it is. Just in case, we may or may not use the pumpkin pie. So what we're going to start off with, because we want him to be rusty, and I don't want to show you the card. Hold on. I'm going to put... if you can see him there. It's really lagging from this end. He's all rusty metal. There you go. How's Chuchi with all the excitement going around? Well, Chuchi wasn't impressed, I have to say, because whilst my mum was in hospital, I had to look after Bertie, her dog, and they don't like each other. No, they do like each other. So he stayed upstairs and Bertie stayed downstairs. Right. Ah, miss you too, Myrtle. You miss me because I'm over on YouTube. Hi, Leslie. I saw you pop on there. How are you? Right. I'm going to use the bullet end because I'm going to be dotting. Do little dots like this. Little dots. I'm wondering if you can see that properly. Might need to just zoom in a little bit. The lag is quite a big lag, so I don't know if it's too near or too close, so you'll just need to let me know in the comments, I think. Can I go zoomy? Oh, it's not letting me zoom in. Okay, let's see if you notice what I'm doing. Right, now we're going to get started. Oh, need to see the card. Pop it up there. So I'm going to do some dots, just little dots. I don't like it. Oh, you did see all of the card. Oh no, see, there's such a lag. I'm using a different, what's it? And I thought I could zoom in, but it don't look like I can. So can you see it all okay? Oh, I did there. Hope that stays there now. So I'm going to dot round there. I'm going to do some dots there where you think that the rust is going to be. So with your bullet point, just your dots, not too hard, don't go too hard. This is his little mouth. Something on his ears. Just a bit up there and a bit there. It's like he's been sitting in a puddle, got all wet and didn't dry properly and went rusty. Hello Nicola, how are you? I've missed you too. So this is light Coujon Craze. So I'm just going to go over and I'm going to fill those empty little spots in where we've just done the dark. If somebody can let me know that you can see it properly and it's not too far away. I'm going to try and see if I can come down a little bit more. I'm on my arc on. I knew I shouldn't have done that. Don't want you falling off. It's just so that you can see it a bit better. But I don't think you can. I might do this because I know it wobbles more. It might wobble more, but I can zoom in and zoom out, I think, a lot better. So if you can just bear with me. Sorry, folks. There you go. That's what I wanted to achieve so that you can see where I am. You see all my mess? Oh, my God. You're definitely about a minute behind watching me. Nicholas says this set has been on our wish list. At our wedding, the minister described us as a nut and bolt. So it's perfect for that. Yes, perfect for the anniversary. Thank you, Emma. That's better. Now you can see properly, but I'm right on top of the mic now, so I might be a bit loud. Okay, so with the light Coujon Craze, I'm a bit too close. Come on, Kim. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the dark smoky slate and we're going to do like stroking. Over what you've just coloured. Might be better doing it with a bullet end. And go over that. See how it's blending in? Then we're going to take the light. Just don't sneeze. All the bits over there will go flying. just going to blend in like we normally do. Leave a little bit of white. Don't forget to leave the little bit of white so it looks like it's just gonna lighten it up a little bit with a pumpkin pie. So it's a little bit dark, so that's where the colour lifter comes in. You can see mine's a bit chewed. Don't go outwards, sort of come inwards, because that's what the colour lifter does. It pushes the ink out, and you don't want to do that. Looking a bit messy today. I would get green dots on my card if I sneeze. Yes, I would. I'm just going to go over him again. So let's do the other one. So do it again, just so that there's some pumpkin pie. You can play around with the lids are a bit tight, like Coujon Craze. And then the dark. So don't forget, if you do any robots, whatever colours you do them in, please do share. Come over to the Simplyfairies Papercraft forum. Come and join us. Okay. And this time I'm going to just try with a light first, because it is a little bit too dark. So he's got quite a cute face. Okay. And then with the dark. So what you're doing basically is just going straight over your Coujon Craze, really. And then back with the colour lifter. And then back again. I don't know how I got him so mottled before. I'm sorry that if you're wobbling, that's the only thing with the one that you can move down. Let's see with the colour lifter. I do like to blend with the colour lifter. I think they're fine. Put my telly back on because I'm sitting right in front of the big screen and I've noticed that it was throwing off quite a bit of light. Oh, don't want the noise on. No. Cuckoo. I don't know what that is on there. It was on the news. That's it. It's got a bit more light for me. It's weird. The telly throws off the light. Okay, so that's our robot done and dusted. And now I'm just going to show you how to... You've all gone quiet. Is there anybody there? Oh. Someone's laughing. I don't know what it was on the telly. It said, cuckoo, cuckoo. Okay, so again, I'm going to use the bullet end with the real red. I'm going to do little dots. So whilst I'm doing them for the inside of them, I'm just going to do them for there as well. Then I'm going to take the Flirty Flamingo and just do a couple of dots again. Am I missing any comments? Dots as well, dots as well. You can't really see them. And then let's have a look. Some people, come on. Please do say hi and where you're from. It'd be lovely to know where you're watching in from. And that was the light, and this is the dark Flirty Flamingo. And see how it just blends that red just a bit better. And I'm going to leave that little bit there white. So I'm going to do exactly the same. Watching intently, Linda says, watching intently. You know I like to chat with you all. So real red, it's real red light, it's not the dark one. So just round here. Just there. Katie's making a cuppa and deciding what chocolate to open. Oh, well, let's help you make that choice. What have you got? Oh, Myrtle, thank you. I've missed it as well. I've missed it as well. Then we just went over with it like this, didn't we? I'm forgetting what I'm doing. I will colour these robots in other like funky colours that people are colouring them in. But I just think I wanted a rusted one. You know, a bit like my Snail Mail rusted bucket. Look at that. He's lovely. And then I did... I did the round one. It's exactly the same. I'm feeling odd that I'm not actually making a card tonight. Just colouring. He was nice. Oh. They're so cute. going to do it again. I'm going to buy you again. Oh, Linda says, open them all. So you've got a big dairy milk, a crunchy whole nut or orange. Oh, I'd have to go with the whole nut, I think. I'd have to go with the whole nut. So dark Cojon craze, dots all over, where you want your rusty bits to go. They're quite quick, aren't they, to do. Touch of pumpkin pie. Just a touch, not too much. The light Cojon craze. Yeah. Then the bullet point of smoky slate, dark. And then the light, blending it in. And he used a bit of pool party for his eyes, just to so they weren't too stark. So this is the colour lifter again. Just to blend that in a little bit more. And you can come back and just add extra bits if you feel, because what you don't want to see is too much dots. Back in with the grey. There we go. So I just went round that, just that bit there, very lightly. Don't know if you can see his little eyeballs, but let me just do that little heart. Needs some little dotties there. That's it. Make it blend a little bit more. And there we go. And then I just trimmed him, and you'll see the cards tomorrow. Pop along. Pop along. There you go. On my recommendation, 120 bar of whole nut is being opened. Don't keep it all to yourself. I went to see it. Don't keep it all to yourself. So, my lovelies, that's it now from me tonight. That's a very quick one. I don't know how long I've been on it. Very quick, 45 minutes. Very quick, 45 minutes. Anyway, it will be on my blog tomorrow morning at 8 AM. The first part of the blog bounce. And I'm really looking forward to it. And makes some beautiful stuff. She really does. She really does. So, yeah. You'll see them all tomorrow. I'll probably make some more cards using these, and then I'll come on and share with you how I made them. I'm gonna have some wobblies, little wobbly things. Oh, thank you, Jen. Thank you. Just have a little play around. Lovely on buckets, to make busted buckets. I've done these a little bit darker than what I did the other ones, really. Might have been just the lighting that. You can always. So go light with it, because you can always take away, but you can't really. You can always add, but you can't really take away. And even though I'm doing this with the colour lifter, it's not taking too much away from it. Sorry about the wobble. I'll have to sort out my Archon, because that does stay a little bit more straight. There you go. So I have been creating behind the wings. Creating behind the wings. Anyway, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you, Emma. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much for joining me. And like I say, if you would like to purchase any items from me, I would really appreciate it. And if you would like to join my team, I would love to have you on. So you get some fabulous papers and stamp sets, free with every £45 you spend, or you can get £130 worth of products of your choice out of either of the catalogues or both the catalogues, or even if there's things you're hankering after on the clearance rack, that can go in your kit too. And you'll get to choose, on top of that, you'll get to choose 2 stamp sets of your choice. Stampin' Up will give you, all for £99. I mean, you can't go wrong, can you? Hello, Caroline. You like the wee characters? They're fab, aren't they? They're fab. Well, thank you, Myrtle. Thank you very, very much for joining me. It was either I'm so tired, shall I just go to bed, or I want to see my friends. I want to see my stamping friends. And my stamping friends won. Anyway, thank you very, very much. Just to say, actually, it's not, you might think, oh, it's all about Valentine's, but it's not really. I've done a birthday card, and I have used this one. You Make My Heart Go Beep, because I really liked it. But I have done a birthday card too. So, show me some love, like I said. Show me some love when you see me on the Stampin' Up page, please. I would really appreciate it. Especially since it will be like my first outing, my first artisan outing. I'm excited and looking forward to inspiring you some more. And hopefully you can come on board with me. Anyway, take care for now. Bye, everybody.